Yes.
It's recording?
Yes.
Okay. So I've learned how to do this in a few steps. Or not a few steps, but there's like a lot of moving parts. And I've learned in what order how to do things. For example, I put the wires get in the way, but if I plug them in, then they don't get in the way. And let's see. So I open it up, facing the sun. I put these little hooks in the bottom. Like the first time I did this, it took me like half an hour. And now it takes me like a minute. So I'm very proud of that. Not proud, but it's just easier. And now my little step where I flip it. Now here's this little trick. There's not much wind right now, but I found that if I bring this over and take these cables and I put them over the top and then kind of tighten it and put it here, then when the wind blows, it stays stable. So maybe you can come over and show, if I go down here, it's 2% full. I don't know if you can see this, but it says 145 watts. So it's not quite full because the sun is low on the horizon because it's winter, but it's charging about as much as it can, and it'll take 5 hours to charge. So if it's a nice day, I could stay up here for 5 hours and work on my computer. If it's not, I can go downstairs and come back up. Oh, now I have my computer, my phone. Oh, you have the phone. I was like, okay,
Sorry.
So I can't charge the phone while you're using it. But here's an interesting thing. Since the computer is DC, and this produces DC, I got a DC charger and it's actually a little bit more efficient. So it charges faster. And it charges faster. And when you climb 11 flights to get the power, you value these things. And is it harder? No. So it's one of the few things I bought in the past year or so. And when you're not, oh, this is really cool. Now it says 185, so maybe a cloud passed or something happened that it's fun to watch the numbers. So after we finish recording, then I'll plug the phone in here, and then, so that's me setting it up. Okay.